Good evening. My name is Prabhavati Dotwar Program and I am from Foshiko. Today I would like to share about one storybook which I found very interesting. The title of this book is Money Can't Buy Everything. So the author of this book is Tanyu and the publisher of this book is Nikas Publications. So the main character of this story is Hashim. Hashim is a boy who lives in a deep forest. His father is the only one breadwinner for his family. So his father will collect some roots, herbs in the deep forest to earn some money. So as the time goes on, one day he went to his school. His friends all tease Hashim very badly because of his torn clothes and worn out shoes. So after he coming back from his school, so he asked his mother why his family in a very poor state. It makes his friends tease him a lot. So his mother explained him that money can't buy everything. So you just see the beauty of this nature and the happiness that we have is which is very priceless. So we should appreciate and grateful with what we have. So after he realized the advice that his mother gave, he just want to give some importance to his education. His mother also advised him to study hard to achieve his life, to success in his life. So he tried to study hard and his teachers also very good teachers. His teacher also will help him a lot. So one day, the examination is around the corner. So he just thinking about himself and he tried to make his dream come true. So he passed his examination with flying colors. So after his hand his school life, then he started his university. So he did the graduation and then he found for the job. So he became an engineer at the last. After he became an engineer, then he will visit his family maybe twice a week. So moreover, when he gains some salary, he will also give his family, but he didn't spend his some time with his family because of his workload. So when times go on, he feels some upset and disappointed because he can't spend his time with his family. So one day he got a very big project. So the project is like build a building and it may destroy the forest over there. So he just signed the project without thinking the consequences and then he told that project to his father and his father said that this forest is a very gifted one for us, so we can't destroy the forest at first. So both of them had a big arguments and some fighting also. But although they argued a lot, then finally Hashim didn't consider about that and he just goes on with his project and he destroyed the forest also for the building. So later, during 2 weeks, his father passed away. It is because his father can't accept the destroying because his son has destroyed the forest. So and then Hashim also very regret for his bad action and then now he feel very disappointed and sad. So although he get lot of money after doing this project, but he had lost his father. So the conclusion of this story is, I would like to say that we should appreciate our nature. So we must not destroy the forest or make the pollutions and we should avoid all of this. So I hope you guys will give a importance to this nature. So that's all for now, and bye. Thank you.